Hello, welcome again. We are solving Indian Forest Services Mechanical Engineering paper 2 of year 2010. Question number 2b is using pressure time diagram explain the combustion process in diesel engine. So as it is a theoretical question, so I will just read. So first we have to study the stages of combustion in CI engine. The combustion in CI engine is considered to be taking place in four stages. It is divided into the ignition delay period, the period of rapid combustion, the period of controlled combustion, and the period of afterburning. The details are explained below. First, ignition delay period. The ignition delay period is also called preparatory phase, during which some fuel has already been admitted but has not yet ignited. This period is counted from the start of injection to the point where the pressure time curve separates from the motoring curve. This is a motoring curve. Indicated as the start of combustion in figure 11.11. So this is the delay period in the CI engine exerts a great influence on both engine design and performance. It is of extreme importance because of its effect on both the combustion rate and knocking, and also its influence on engine starting ability and the presence of smoke in the exhaust. The fuel does not ignite immediately upon injection into the combustion chamber. There is a definite period of inactivity between the time when the first droplet of fuel hits the hot air in the combustion chamber and the time it starts to actual burning phase. This period is known as ignition delay period. In figure 11.12, the delay period is shown on pressure crank angle or time diagram between points A and B. Point A represents this point A, external view. Point A represents the time of injection and the point B represents the time at which the pressure curve caused by compression first separates from the motoring curve. The ignition delay period can be divided into two parts, the physical delay and chemical delay. Physical delay. The physical delay is the time between the beginning of injection and attainment of chemical reaction condition. During this period, the fuel is atomized, vaporized, mixed with air, and raised to its self-ignition temperature. This physical delay depends on the type of fuel. That is, for light fuel, physical delay is small, while for heavy viscous fuels, the physical delay is high. The physical delay is greatly reduced by using high injection pressure, high combustion chamber temperature, and high turbulence to facilitate breakup of the jet and improving evaporation. Chemical delay. During chemical delay, reactions start slowly and then accelerate until inflammation or ignition takes place. Generally, the chemical delay is larger than the physical delay. However, it depends on the temperature of surrounding, and at high temperature the chemical reactions are faster and physical delay becomes longer than chemical delay. It is clear that ignition delay in SI engine is essentially equivalent to chemical delay for CI engine. In most CI engine, the ignition delay is shorter than the duration of injection. This is your pressure versus time diagram. This is your motoring curve, and this is your TDC, this is AD, this is the external view of AD. So now last two periods. Now next period is period of rapid combustion. So the period of rapid combustion, also called uncontrolled combustion, is that phase in which the pressure rise is rapid. During the delay period, the droplets have had time to spread more a wide area, and a fresh air is always available around the droplets. Most of the fuel emitted would have evaporated and formed a combustible mixture with air. By this time, the pre-flame reactions would have also been completed. The period of rapid combustion is counted from end of delay period or beginning of combustion to the point of maximum pressure on the indicated diagram. The rate of heat release is maximum during this period. It may be noted that the pressure reached during the period of rapid combustion will depend on the duration of the delay period. The longer the delay, more rapid and higher is the pressure rise, since more fuel would have accumulated in the cylinder during the delay period. And next period is period of controlled combustion. The period of uh, the rapid combustion period is followed by third stage, the controlled combustion. The temperature and pressure in the second stage is already quite high, hence fuel droplet injected during the second stage burn faster with reduced ignition delay as soon as they find the necessary oxygen, and any further pressure rise is controlled by injection rate. The period of controlled combustion is assumed to end at maximum cycle temperature. Next is period of afterburning. Combustion does not cease with the completion of injection process. The unburned and partially burnt fuel particle left in the combustion chamber start burning as soon as they come into contact with the oxygen. This process continues for a certain duration called afterburning period. Usually this period starts from the point of maximum cycle temperature and continues over a part of expansion stroke. The rate of afterburning depends on the velocity of diffusion and turbulent mixing of unburned and partially burned fuels with air. The duration of afterburning phase may correspond to 70 to 80 degrees of the crank travel from release. So this is the stages in combustion. So I have taken from this from B Ganeshan IC engine book, and the topic is combustion in CI engine. So that is the theory part. So you can manage and read B Ganeshan IC engine, stages of combustion in CI engine, article number 11.1.